Where are YouTube downloads saved on PC? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily find downloaded videos on your YouTube. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and go to youtube.com. After that, in the YouTube, choose any one of the video which you want to download. Once you click on that video and scroll below through the description, you will see the option of download. Simply click on it and shortly a tab will appear where you need to choose the quality of the video which you download. Simply click on standard and if you want the video in HD quality, choose that option and click on download. After the download has been completed, when you go back to your home on YouTube, at the bottom or at the left hand side menu, you will see the option of downloads. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to find your YouTube downloads on your PC. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.